Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we've got for sale this lovely Suzuki Hayabusa. So what a lump these are, what a fantastic bike. Big 1300cc muscle bike really. So 2016 on a 16 plate, done 4,483 miles from new. Finished off in red and silver, so one of my personal favourite colours on these. I think it looks fantastic. It's got some awesome Yoshimura exhausts, you'll have seen those just on the intro. It's also got tail tidy and a hugger just in there, and then also this bike's got some Oxford heated grips. So it's also got the data tool system for alarm fitted to the bike. Now these younger ones, they come with the different power modes on there too, and you also get the Brembo monoblock brakes on these as well, so they've got the stopping power to match. Right, let's give it a start up so you can have a listen to it. So what an amazing thing. If you do fancy it, please do give us a call, pop down to the showroom and we'll put your name on this bike. Cheers guys.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.